Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Woo! I look excited because I'm excited. Somebody will call me. Somebody will call me. Hold on. It's a beautiful day. But he got missing for like 4 days. To be real honest, maybe just want some time for myself. And I wasn't feeling well. That's one of the main reasons. You ever just feel droopy and drained? Yeah, but no, I'm good. I made a cake, bread, whatever I want to call it, last night. It tastes so good. Guess what? Me never record it. I made banana, coconut, and almond cake, bread, whatever I want to call it. Me say a cake. It tastes so good, and if you don't know me, you don't know me can bake to save my life. And last night it came out so good. This time what I did was to use correct measurement. This time somewhat. My eyeball it when it comes down to like the vanilla and spices. My eyeball it, but for the flour, the oil, and all of that, me use correct measurement. Today is gonna be a pretty busy day. Before I get into it, everybody did ask me like, yo, you need to share the recipe for that way you make. But guys, let me tell you. So I use 3 banana. I use some minced almond. I have the big old almond. So what I did, I'm telling you, I'm do my little secret. I put it in the NutriBullet and then I spin it and lock it off quick. Because I never want it to turn dust. And for the coconut, just grate the coconut. And I use 3 banana. I use 2 eggs and little bit of sugar because these days I don't like sweet stuff. I don't know why sweet stuff make my head hurt me. Salty stuff make my head hurt me. So I use little bit of sugar because the banana them did sweet. And I use coconut oil, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. What else me use correct measurement for? I eyeball it with the vanilla, eyeball it with the cinnamon, eyeball it with the mixed spice, and a pinch of salt. Yeah, I'm just mix up all of that together. So what I did was to mix some of the shredded coconut and some of the minced almond in the butter, and then after spread it on the top and put it for bake, and it came out so good. I'm gonna insert some clips from last night. Guys, look what your girl made. I just got the banana bread alone. I mean, I have all of these stuff. I just use them. So I just put some almond. What I do, I put the almond in the NutriBullet and just spin it 1 time so them don't mash up too much. And then grate the coconut and then know how the whole banana thing go. It's not free on cake in it. Oh my god. Came out so good. Oh my god. Come babe. Taste time.
Are you first can't taste it?
No.
Then suppose it do me.
Babe, what me I gotta do you? You're too extra.
I know what you are gonna do me. You might never know accident.
Come.
Yes, good man. Excellent.
Wow.
Real tasty, you know? Thank you.
And it's so moist. Guys, let us talk. How life a treat, you know. Me personally, life is not bad. To be real honest, I'm grateful. I don't know, I just feel, how to explain it? I mean, everybody have them story where them never share. Not a problem, nothing wrong with that. So try not to be judgmental, because you never know what somebody I go through. But as me say, I'm grateful. It's just that, you know, sometimes we just really wander around my family. I'm not gonna lie, I miss my mother. I just want for there my mother. My mother for cook. I'm just eat. I'm wash the plate them and do all of the chores. Because that's a part of it. And I'm just a family person, guys. But yeah, in regards to today, I want to get some stuff done. So may I get the little washing out of the way. And may I go prep some stuff like season some chicken to bring with me. And pack up some stuff. You guys will see what I am packing. And packing for what and all of them stuff. Them when I wonder like, Angel, where you go pack for go? But I'm not gonna see it. You don't know me not gonna keep it in the dark. Plus, as me say, I'm gonna vlog some more because I realize that when I vlog, it take my mind off a lot of stuff. And it just made me feel much better. Still, you guys still gonna get challenges, still gonna get pranks, but vlogging for now because it made me feel good. Guys, you see Jason? Him funny when it comes on to food. So me normally, anything him say him want, if it there, me normally just give it to him. Because him, the character is picky, him picky bad. Babe, me have fries, I want fries? Him say I want fries. So me I go do fries, chicken tender, and sausage for him. And then after me I go make my breakfast, but me I go hang out the stuff them on the line, and then me I go make me and Uno go pack up some stuff together. Babe, whatever you put there, those are what I want. Remember you sweater them. So Jason I take out him clothes because him soon left. And I warn me say when put on a that him want. You normally see me change up your clothes them?
No, but just tell you one thing, man. So that's right for you.
The first time I ever use the one here. Let me see how it looks inside. Ooh, that's tight up. So I'm almost finished. Oh, them not have no string. The one here not have no string. Hopefully, it's as tasty as the other one. Because the next one really nice. This is Tropical Blends Herbal Tea Bag Peppermint. So I'm going to try the one here out to see how it really tastes. And yeah. Alright. I'm sweeten with honey. Auntie baby. Yeah? Kiss auntie. Kiss. I love you.
Love you.
Mia. I love you, baby.
Love you.
Me soon calling her back. Me really not love that tea bag there. If you not like when a tea bag strong, then you can probably use it. But that not strong none at all. So me go back for the one that I normally use there. So stick to the evil one I know. This one. This is the one that I love. Comment and let me know which one of them I love. So I go just take out the one here. Because it hopefully it not spoil the whole taste of it. But both of them are tea bag as them peppermint as them say. Taste it. Yeah. No way I talk. I eat that. Alright guys, so I'm home alone now. Jason gone and I'm gonna hang up some clothes on the line and come back in and get some stuff done. So we're gonna pack and prep some stuff from now because where we are go, I should think prepping is important because we don't know the availability of certain stuff there. I know I'm still clueless as to where me I go and all of that, but further down when I'm packing, I'll explain to you guys. guys, I just finished hang out the clothes them and look at this. Yes, two of them. So the next one here, I don't know if I see it. Where are they? Oh, see it right there. So today is a beautiful day, guys. Look at that. Yeah, and the clothes them, I know them soon dry because the sun hot. I just want to stop procrastinate. That's my biggest problem right now. Look on the clothes them right there, so I'm gonna take them up off of the line. Every time I say I go do something, I have to just stop. And, that's my biggest problem. I'm going camping. I'm gonna collab with a YouTuber. You guys might know him. He's or don't tell him yet. I'm gonna let you guys wait. But yeah, going camping. Him, me, and Jason. But we guys gonna pack together so you guys can tell me like, bring this, bring that. No, don't bring this, don't bring that. My repellent though, the repellent I play upon me. And I forgot to tell the person if I bring repellent because my repellent nah work. Because the other night I use my repellent and it never works. So just imagine me in my house and use the repellent and it not work. Imagine me in the wilderness. But I really love those type of stuff. I hope you enjoy them content there because I really love them stuff there and I just want to see me in one different surrounding. We're gonna do some cooking videos as well. So I'm gonna tell you now a story. Jason got some flashlights, right? When him get them, I just toss them all over the place. Not bright enough. I just did I say a bag of stuff. Today, I have to dig up the place and look for the flashlight because I'm gonna need flashlight. You can't go camping without flashlight. And on the list, them say you need flashlight, you need raincoat, you need rain shoes. Listen, I don't have none of them stuff there because I don't have any raincoat. The last time I wear a raincoat, I did go basic school. The one piece of flashlight, it not bright enough. Jason's friend gave it to him. It can't. I'm sure because I probably don't believe me. Turn off the light and show them. In here, so hold on. So I shine it in the closet now, right? For sure. No. But hey, don't feel like look there. But it not bad. It not bad. It can do something. Look. When I see? Alright, look. So imagine me in the wilderness with this. Definitely need towel. So I'm gonna put this. So I'm gonna put it in. Alright, how am I gonna do it? I'm gonna do suit. So this is one. Alright, I need one shirt to go with this feet, but one suit. Right? Now put them to the specific day. Just say day one. This is harder than I thought. Oh no. This stick of it. What thing? The comforter here. Happy. Go. Put in a one bag. What the bag where coming up? Oh, mommy have it. I forgot to put this in a one bag. Is this I'm gonna take up a lot of space and it no wise. I might not know nothing about packing, but that no wise. Alright guys. So I'm finished with the clothes them. Finished with the shoes them. Now I'm gonna pack up the toiletries. Now you have to carry your bug spray. Just a small toothpaste, alcohol pill, BPH, and wipes. That's it. I should think that's it. So these are the comforter. Mommy have the bag that it came in. So I'm gonna have to throw it in another bag here real quick. Because you don't know this is a must have. And then over here, so I'm gonna have me and Jesse stuff them. Like with deodorant, toiletries, clothes, and I think I think I did a good job with the packing. I did a very good job because I make everything hold. And then not only that, I have a bag in there with some snack. So I kind of separate the stuff them. So I think the toiletries them the out here, so, and on the top you have the bag with the snack, and it's small, so you know me well pack this. And then over here, so I have the water, and I have some stuff because as I said, this camping trip we're gonna use what we have. So if we not have it, we could just do without it. So I should think we carry the stuff them what we're gonna need for the amount of time we're gonna spend. So I have some Gatorade, some Lucozade, them here for Jason. I don't remember what them here. Oh, some Suppergen, butter for cooking, rice, cornmeal, some cup noodle because I don't know that save life. Some tea bag, I just took out some from the box because just love him tea bag. Some sweet corn and some stuff for cook while we're there. Some curry. From when I see the amount of curry for the next one. Oh, from when I see the amount of curry, trust me, trust the process. Don't say, Andra, why you have some of them stuff here? Them unnecessary. Trust me, I promise you, them not unnecessary. Down here, so now I have fork, some lime, because you know you can't go nowhere without your lime. Oh, I'm going to take a, oh, him say I bring vinegar. I have plate, the little container them, because them here come in so handy. I have cup, I have some new dish towel, some other little plate, garbage bag, because I really don't litter. I rather walk with my garbage anywhere I go until I can dispose it. I have some season, because you know you can't cook without your season. Alright, so up here, so I have a cutting board, a spoon, a knife, and a container just to wash up in. The snack them, I got like bun, Lay's, Ruffles, digestive, just stuff when I know say alright then we can snack on and our favorite snack. So yeah, wasn't a lot of snack because we don't think we need a lot knowing so we're gonna cook. So yeah. Guys, look who is home. My baby.
Help.
How was today?
Nothing happened.
Wasn't a productive day?
It was a productive day.
Got any videos done?
Person don't get any video done.
Take out the bun out of my ear.
Tell me how bun reaching in your ear.
Because they drop it in there. Well, today was a productive day for me. As they say, you left earlier this morning with me a record. I never get to record throughout the day as I did explain to them. But I did get some stuff done. So the chicken, I season chicken for bring because guys, as I explained to you, this camping trip, we're not gonna go and buy any fast food at all. We're gonna cook what we have, use what we have. So I'm still not tell you the other person we're gonna come in because it's a surprise. But that person is gonna bring some stuff as well. Because I have a cooking channel, so I'm gonna cook for me and Jason basically, and me I go cook also. Cause the person that never yet taste my cooking, and I don't think we ever have him over, but I want a Jason friend as well. Him say him have a igloo, yes. So I'm gonna season his meat too to bring them, and I did that already because I'm not sure about the availability of certain stuff there. To be real honest, I love challenges. Some would I really want to go and something challenge me, not too much, but since we're already camping, I don't want it to be smooth sailing.
Makes sense.
I want it to feel like, yo, if I don't have that, what would I really do? You know, as some I want it to be. Yeah, you guys get it. So I don't want it to be smooth. So I'm try my best for like clothes wise. I brought everything that I should think is gonna make me comfy. But in regards to food, I still have enough food and all of that because I throw away. So we need food for the time we're going to spend. But at the same time, I don't want it to be easy. I want to see if we don't have something, what would I do? What to substitute? All of that. I want my brain to work want it to be challenging.
So you want to be one adventurous trip.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I should think I pack enough stuff without having a traveling bag. So I pack suitcase, but the best part about it is it's our own transportation. So even if we not take out the suitcase out of the car, well, based on the parking, because it's a camping site. Mama explain that too and make it clear, because I'm going to say suitcase, why suitcase? It's a camping site, so you can park your vehicle there, and it's not going to be too far away from where we are camp. I know you guys going to appreciate these content, something different, not in the
Definitely,
house, and just the outside. I appreciate nature. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k.
50k. Yeah, going good.
Thank you, babe. I love and appreciate you guys. Thanks for always supporting me. I know I'm not tired to hear it, but I'm so grateful. Thanks for just always support me no matter what I post. Even when I'm not doing anything at all, I can just be sitting here and I talk to you. I want to still appreciate it, and I still show my love, I want to still interact, and them stuff that make me really emotional, to be honest. So thank you guys for always supporting me. Thanks for always supporting Jason. Thanks for just supporting us. Bye guys.